In my previous class, I have given 2 questions and told you you have to write it down the answer. And what was the question? First question was the that means producers and consumers. That means their effect on the ecosystem. Okay, I will ask by name. Then he or she will tell me the answer. Sneha, tell me. Sneha, tell me the answer of first question. And before that, Sneha, have you written? Sneha, please have a reply. If you have written, tell me yes. Okay, then tell me the answer. Just write down the main points. No need to elaborate, just write down the main points. Written. Okay, Somadeep, tell me. Okay, Sneha, then listen carefully. Somadeep, tell me your answer. Somadeep, okay, Somadeep is typing. And next answer, Sriman, write down the next answer. Sriman, write down the next answer. Have you written? Sriman, have you written your answer? Okay. Role of producer obtains energy from sun, and what was the question? Can you repeat once? Yes, I can. 2 questions I have provided. That first one was that what are the role or what is the role of producer in the ecosystem, and the next question was that what is the role of consumers in the ecosystem. Okay. So answer of first question I have got it. So let me check. Role of producers obtains energy from sun and other sources and makes food for itself and also for other organs. Okay, very good. Any other points? Anyone? If anyone wants to add any other points with that particular answer, he or she can tell me. Anyone? So as we know that what is the main role of producers? Producers actually take the, that means who are called as producers? Mainly the blue-green algae, green plants, that means organisms who are having chlorophyll. Okay, so in the green plants, we have seen that in the leaf chlorophyll is present, and with the help of that, they can take the solar energy, and from that they can make food. Okay, so what is the main role of producer? So if producers are not there, then food source will not be there. That means we have seen different food chains and different levels are there, and all the other organisms are totally dependent on the producers. Like if producers are not there, primary consumers will not get food, they will die. If primary consumers are not there, then secondary consumers will not get food, then they will die. So the total ecosystem will be destroyed or damaged, right? So that is the main point you have to mention. So I am repeating, what is the role of producer in an ecosystem? First one is that it obtains the solar energy, this one is right. and it can make food, and many organisms are dependent on the food, and if producers are not there, then what will happen? Then consumers will not get food, they will die, total ecosystem will get damaged. Okay, you have to mention that part also. Okay, so as we can say that it is also energy, and from the producer we have seen the energy model, huge amount of energy also will be transferred to the next level, from that one to the next another level. Okay, so you have to mention those parts also. Clear everyone? And you have to make points for this one. Now come to the next point, next answer. What is the role of consumers in an ecosystem? Devjit? Devjit didn't know. Okay, let me check. Madhurjo, tell me, what will be the answer of the next question? Shatadeep, have you written? I haven't got any reply from the Sriman, that means he didn't write. Madhurjo and Shatadeep, tell me the answer of the next question. But you had to check from the YouTube, right? Okay, then write it down. Okay? Okay, then Sumi, have you written? Swastika? Sumi, Swastika? Have you written? Sriman, write it down and tell me in my next class, okay? Okay. Most of the students are not present in the last class, and as you can see that what class is in your routine, then if you are not attending this particular class, you should follow the video which we are always uploading in the YouTube. Else, how will you be able to know what I have told in the class, or is there any homework or not? Okay, so from today you have to check. That means, Somodeep, tell me the answer of the next question also. You are present in the previous class, right? Aryan, have you written? Okay, then tell me the answer of the next one also. Okay, Aryan. So you also have to check, and you have to write it down, as today also I have mentioned the questions. Clear? Check. Somodeep is telling the answer. Listen everyone carefully. Everyone, those who are absent, please write down the question. I am repeating. Two questions were there. First question was the what is the role of producers in the ecosystem? Please write it down in your copy, and I will ask you the answer for the same question in my next class also. Okay? So first question is what is the role of producers in the ecosystem, and already I have discussed. So I think it will be better if you check the video which I have uploaded, because from that you will get to know how you have to write down in the points. Okay. First check the video. then start writing the answer and tell me in my next class. And next question is the what is the role of consumers in the ecosystem? First question is the what is the role of producer in the ecosystem, and second question is what is the role of consumers in the ecosystem. Those who are absent in the previous class, clear? Okay, Shomodeep also written. Role of consumer takes food from producers and obtaining energy and also supplying energy. Very good, Shomodeep. This is a very good point, as we know that consumers are directly or indirectly dependent on the producer, right? They why? Because in the consumer there are different levels like primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer. Primary consumers are dependent on the producers directly, but secondary and tertiary consumers are dependent indirectly, as they are taking the primary and secondary consumers as their food. So what is happening? Consumers now, with the help of that consumers, we are making a food chain, and we know the energy flow of the food chain. So how energy will be passed from the producer, because producers can get energy from the sun, and this energy can be passed to the next level to the consumers. Okay, so this is the main point according to the role of the decomposers. You can find many other points also, so you haven't written, that is why think if you find any other points for this particular answer, okay, and tell me in my next class. So the same homework I am providing you, because most of the students were absent in the previous class. So in my next class I will discuss these two questions again, and after that I will proceed to the next in-text question. Okay, so for today that's it. Thank you and bye bye everyone, and please write down your names.